Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. For Tip Tuesday this week, I want to talk about Facebook retargeting. So, modern advertising lets you micro-target specific people based on their online activity. This is a super powerful innovation because you have so much more information on your targets than we used to have when we had to advertise to audiences. So, for example, if someone has visited and liked your company's Facebook page, you can retarget them with a Facebook ad. Or you can have a contest in Facebook and retarget the contestants. Maybe you offer a little prize for the winner of the contest, and in the process, you've collected a bunch of marketing data with which to retarget the contestants. And by the way, this is also a great way to get more reach with your social media posts in general. The more excitements and clicks you drum up, the more Facebook's algorithms will start to push your content. So you can also track visitors to your company website or even Craigslist ads, things like that, though of course you have more data when you're retargeting people based on their activity on Facebook or Instagram, since those are Facebook products. In any case, Neil Schaffer is an online expert in marketing, in digital marketing, and he has a great article about how to use Facebook for retargeting. So I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video and also in the video description. I encourage you to check it out. Facebook ads in general have great return on investment when you do them right, and retargeting is one of the highest percentage ways to do it. So that's it for Tip Tuesday this week. I hope this helps. Please, as always, feel free to subscribe to the ERS YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of these important updates. And you can do that by clicking on our logo in the lower right-hand corner of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.